I'm Amy, your Resene colour expert, and I'm here to help you learn how to team paint with your wallpaper. The first step is to choose your Resene wallpaper. It's easier to choose a complementary paint colour than the other way around. It's important to consider what kind of atmosphere you're trying to create. Are you wanting a modern industrial look, or a bold statement piece, or something a little bit softer and more intimate? Depending on the atmosphere that you're wanting to create, that will tell us what kind of paint colour we need to pair with your wallpaper. For example, if you're wanting a bold statement piece, we would take one of the highlighting colour tones from the wallpaper and choose a corresponding paint colour. The Habitat Plus wallpaper book is a great tool for inspirations that you can collect from your local Resene colour shop. Or just pop in and speak to one of our colour experts like me. If you've fallen in love with a Resene wallpaper but unsure as to which colour wave would best suit your home, we're happy to lend out the Resene wallpaper books and you can take it home and see the way it looks in your space. Once you've decided on your favourite, we can order in a wallpaper sample for you. Don't forget about our FX Metallic wallpaper collection. It's made using the Resene FX Metallic and comes in the full colour collection. For a DIYer, the FX Metallic wallpaper is easier to use than the paint system, so it's a great one for you to try at home. What I love about wallpaper is it's a great tool to personalise a space. You can easily apply it and it's your own work of art.